Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on? All right, so it is June 11th, 2017. So it's been a while since my last video. It's been about 6 months. You know, and I just haven't been consistent with my videos. But here I am today to give you an update video on what's going on on my trading platform and what I see going on in the market. So yeah, the market was giving me a tough time from February into March, especially with the dollar and the euro, crosses and the dollar selling off. Which, if you remember from my last video, I did mention that the dollar was probably putting in a top right around here. But I was just too stubborn. I just didn't. I thought right around beginning of February, March, we would bottom off right here, and then maybe we would see a test of. I really wanted to test the 104s, but we dropped right back down to where I said it would drop down to. I'm over it. I'm over it. I'm just ready to just get back adjusted, and get back in the swing of things. Slowly building myself back up. But that's a lesson, guys. It happens to the best of us. So anyway, let's start. I want to talk today about Aussie, and I want to talk about Kiwi, right? Let's talk about Aussie dollar, right? So wow, okay, we have a lot to cover in 6 months worth of videos. Basically, the Aussie dollar rose up and then it sold off. Yeah. Where is it going now? That's what you guys is watching this video right now for, right? You want to know where's the Aussie dollar going? All right. Personally, I think the Aussie dollar is heading higher. Based on what I see going on in the market right now, I think maybe we do a little bit of a correction to test that 75 area. Uh, but I think we should test that. That 75 area should hold. Yeah, so maybe we trade a little bit below it. But I'm expecting it to hold and to bounce back up, and then I'm expecting something like a move higher, actually up to 78. That's going to take some time, but I'm bullish on the Australian dollar. I think it holds its own. Um, yeah. Yeah. Aussie bull. Kiwi dollar. Let's talk Kiwi dollar. All right. Like I said, we have a lot to cover in 6 months, but basically, it rallied up, went a little bit beyond where I wanted to go in February, and then it sold off into March and into April. Right. Right now, where is it? I think I'm very bearish on the Kiwi dollar. I know I've been saying that all year, but I'm really waiting for the 60s to get exposed. I really think that um, the market is just gonna find itself way down here, maybe on some really bad news out of New Zealand, but I've been waiting for it a long time, and I still think it can happen. So bearish on the Kiwi. I'm gonna learn from my dollar my dollar mistake trading the dollar earlier this year. That if you come up with a thesis and you just stick with it, if the technicals make sense, you stick with it. So for me, the technicals make sense on this Kiwi dollar. So very bearish on it. I wanted to test the 70 area first. Um, then a little bit of pullback, and of course, we wind our way down. Um, to see if we can finally break this 68 area that has been a thorn in my side for a while. But I think everything is lining up pretty nicely. But this is more long-term out, maybe another 2 months out, we might see a test of the 68. But for now, I think what you should be putting yourself into is a short on the Kiwi. Short the Kiwi, just based on the weekly chart. We're bucking into all this. We're bucking into all this mess up here. Yeah. So I would be a bear back down to 70. So that's kind of the plan. Bearish Kiwi dollar. It's of all the currency pairs that I've been looking at. I think Kiwi is good to go right now for a sell. So I would sell short. If you follow me on Twitter, you've noticed that I sold short at 71.950, stop above 72.5. So I'm already short, getting ready for the move down. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna keep it short and simple for right now. So just to do a quick review, I am bullish Aussie dollar and very bearish Kiwi dollar. Oops, I'm very bearish Kiwi dollar. The US dollar, you guys want to know where do I think US dollar goes from here? Personally, after such a big sell-off, and it's the middle of the year, so we've had 6 months worth of sell-off, I'm expecting some type of recovery. I'm expecting maybe a move sideways, consolidation period, and then we try to move up, at least test this 100 figure. Yeah. Euro. Yeah, Euro has been a monster for the better part of 2017. Like I said in the previous video, I was able to make some of it, but I didn't get all of it. I didn't get all of the move. Where are we right now with the Euro? I just want to make this really quick. Euro, we have a gap open right down in here. We have a gap open. We haven't closed the gap. So I'm looking for some type of flash crash, some type of bad news that brings it down to here to close it. Once we can close that gap, I think, call me crazy, but I think the Euro, rockets up to 117. We break these highs right here, and then we make a move higher. But the Euro looks very bullish. It has to retrace first, but I think the Euro is bullish, and if and when it retraces back down to the 106, I think 106, 108 is a good area. If and when it retraces, I think that's the opportunity to get long and ride it back up the next 6 months higher. All right, so that's the video, guys. If you guys don't already follow me on Twitter, I want you guys to reach out to me. It's FX World Boss on Twitter. That's a picture of me. Yeah, guys, just if you have any questions about the video, you want me to answer anything, just reach out to me. I'm always on Twitter. I'm always saying hello to people, commenting, and I'm available. So yeah, just reach out to me on Twitter, and check out the website TradeFXwithChris.com, and yeah, let's connect, right? So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and yeah, have a good day.